We're back out in the portable garage for a Project DGC update. We got the transaxle out. What I had to do was remove two of these brackets, one from each side, and the rubber piece actually sits here and the bar goes up that way. Yeah, so I can move the engine forward to get the bracket and all that fun stuff out. And to do that, I kind of rigged up my own little system here. Engine's only about 100 pounds or so apparently, so I did it with ratchet straps. One down across the part of the casing there, and it goes up to the top of the roll cage. And this middle one here has kind of got a trippy system here to lock it in so it don't slide off. And that basically keeps the engine in its orientation. And the final one here comes down and goes to the output shaft for the CVT system. Freaking worked out awesome. Got a little bit of wiggle room left there now, and not really much, but worked out great, and we got her out. That was a freaking bonus. Never did it before, and yeah, wicked learning curve, but love it just the same. And here it is, the transmission. This piece here is actually the output shaft that goes to that this drive shaft down here. They connect up together, just slip in. What we did on here was there's a little rubber seal here. We replaced this one, and we replaced this here main seal here too. This is the one that caused all this mess here. It was leaking, and all I did was pre-drilled a few little holes in there, took a couple of flooring screws, screwed them in a little bit, and yeah, just put a pair of pliers on them here and give them a little tap underneath with a hammer, and it slowly just popped them right out perfectly. And put the bugger back in, a little bit of grease, a little bit of force, and literally just push it in with my fingers. Freaking awesome, nice and easy to do. Well, that brings this little episode here to an end, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.